HID Linq Cloud is a centralized reader management software that allows reader technicians to provision the HID Signo Readers or update in the field. To establish physical connectivity to the managed Signo Reader, a software component called the Linq Gateway needs to be installed on the Windows machine through which the connection is made. Log into HID Linq Cloud using your Reader Technician account. From the Reader Management area, download the Linq Gateway installer package. It will be delivered as a zip file to the Windows download folder. Use a zip utility, for example, 7-zip, to extract the contents. Locate the HID Client Reader Bridge application. This is the Linq Gateway installer. Run the HID Client Reader Bridge application and follow the on-screen prompts to install. The user must have administrative privileges to be able to run the installer. Open and review the included README or Quick Start file for any model-specific or environment notes. Start the Linq Gateway application from either desktop shortcut or the Start menu. By default, the Linq Gateway runs as a Windows application. Launch it using your Reader Technician credentials, the same account you used to log into HID Linq Cloud. After starting, the Linq Gateway icon appears in the Windows system tray. The gateway will appear under Linq Gateways on the Reader Management page. Its default name is the PC's host name. For easier identification, rename the gateway in the cloud to a friendly name. With the gateway running and network/USB connections in place, proceed to and discover the Signo Readers for provisioning or firmware update. For controller-connected readers, an additional Linq Gateway to controller's secure MQTT channel setup is required. That will be covered in a separate video. Once readers are discovered and reachable, the Linq Gateway is ready for use.